Hey guys, this is Lozilla and I'm here today to show you the new iPod Touch case and a review of it. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the new Incipio iPod Touch case for the iPod Touch 4G. Wait, there we go. And so let's have a look at the packaging. So I feel it's a really nice packaging, except that you see this little stand? Here you go. It's a bit annoying to get it out of the package, but that doesn't really mean anything. So here it is. Okay, so this, let's just look at the back and see what it comes with. Okay. So it comes with the cleaning cloth. Wait a second. Don't know if my camera can read that. So anyways, it comes with the cleaning cloth, surface protector, and a video stand, and a squeegee. A little squeegee. Well, I don't have the squeegee with me right now, but it doesn't matter. So here's the little video stand. It's quite small. It's nice to keep in your pocket and everything. Not a big deal. And here's the case for the iPod Touch 4G. So it has a very nice soft feel to it. It's made out of silicone. Don't know how you guys say it, but I say silicone. So it's very nice. It's nice and soft, and it has a little Incipio logo over here. Wait, let me just get that. There you go, and a little Incipio logo over here, and that's pretty much it for the logos. It has a very nice feel to it. Wait, you see, on and off button. Well, okay, I need some charging, but doesn't matter. So on and off button is pretty good. Volume rockers are also really good. So it practically covers the whole case, the whole sides of the iPod Touch, the back, the front, and it just leaves a little open place over here for the speakers, the USB dock connector, and the headphone jack. It's a really nice case, and yeah, let's have a look at what it looks like with the stand on it. There we go. Wait, might just be okay, wait, it's quite annoying to put on, but it works when you find the right balance. There we go, nice and sturdy. I'm not sure if you can put it upwards vertically. Let's just try it out. Let's just put it like that. No, you can't do that, but you can definitely put it horizontally. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. So that's pretty much it, and so rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, bye.